Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be considering the result analysis for Q4 of Fy22 Finolex Cables Limited. So this current market price 398 on 3rd June at 10:56 am. Its market cap is 6091 crores at high and low price 609 and 344. Price earning multiple is around 10.2 based on the EPS of 30th report of Fy22, and the book value is 256 and the dividend is 1.41 and return on capital is 21% and the return on equity is 16% at face value is 2. So Finolex Cable, as you know, is one of the leading manufacturers of electrical and telecommunication cable in India. It is operating for more than 50 years and has been able to maintain leadership position as one of the most diversified wires and cables companies in India. Besides manufacturing a wide array of cables, it's forayed into the FMCG sector, and it is actually established as a prepared electrical solution provider for retail and institutional market in India and created a strong brand name. They actually have 5 manufacturing plants in India, and they have 28 depots to ensure smooth supply chain. It manufactures key raw material like PVC component, copper rods, optical fiber rods as part of backward integration strategy. They have a good distribution network of 5,000 plus distributors and 50,000 retailers. They have 8 exclusive retail stores called Finolex House, and they plans to grow their distribution network to more than 150,000 retailers in future. And regarding their revenue breakup, 82% revenue is from the communication wires and cables, followed by 14% of communication cables, and electrical consumer goods constitute 4%. It is a leading player in organized wire and cable industry with a market share of 22%, and they have a joint venture with Sumitomo Corporation Japan for extra high voltage cables, and they also have a marketing joint venture Coming USA for optical fiber technology and technical collaboration with SW Germany for manufacture of submersible cable. Their product portfolio includes wires and cables, flexible cables, solar cable, elevator cables, auto battery cables like that. Electrical products, they include lighting, electrical switches, switchgear, water heaters, fans, etc. They also have a sister company, Finolex Industries Limited. It is they own 32% stake in it. So they also posted good results for Q4 of Fy22. So they posted a total income, consolidated income of around 1,206 crores as compared to 991 crores in the previous quarter and 937 crores in the previous year. So the net profit before tax is 286 crores as compared to 179 crores in the previous quarter and 230 crores in the previous year. There is a 50 crore increase in net profit and around 200 crores increase in revenues. And one of the net profit after tax, profit after tax, it is 215 crores as compared to 224 crores as compared to 143 crores in the previous quarter, 167 crores in the previous year. There's almost around 50 crores increase in net profit. So if you see the full year results, the net income, total income is 3839 crores as compared to 2845 crores. The net profit before tax is 783 crores as compared to 630 crores, and the profit after tax is 509 crores as compared to 460 crores. So there is a 130 crore increase in net profit in the full year as compared to FY21, and there is a revenues has increased from 2845 crores to 3839 crores. So the basic EPS is around 39.18 as compared to 30.17. The stock is just trading at around 10 times FY22 EPS. So it is actually looks very attractive for long-term investments at the current valuations. And Ambrish Baliga recently based on the results, Ambrish Baliga gave a short-term target of 465 in this company. I am personally invested in this company. So if you see the stock price movement, the stock has corrected a lot from around 550, 600 levels in November. It has actually corrected to the current level of 380 levels. So based on the latest results, it looks very good. It's actually a debt-free company. And regarding the performance over the years, its sales has improved from 2360 crores to around 3768 crores over the years, and net profit has improved to 399 crores to around 600 crores in the current year. And 2 years, 2017-18, it actually had a dip in net profit, but considering that it is a growing net profit in the last 2 years, it looks a very good attractive stock for investment at the current levels.